Hey everyone! Planning a Vegas adventure and on the hunt for the perfect place to stay? Join us as we explore what makes a Vegas stay truly unforgettable. We're diving deep to find that sweet spot of comfort, luxury, and location. From dazzling high-rise suites to hidden gem villas, the options in Vegas are endless. But which one will be the one? So, what does the perfect Vegas stay look like? Well, let's take a look at a property that might just check all the boxes. Welcome to the South Strip Comfort. This isn't just a place to crash, it's a Vegas experience in itself. The living room, with its cozy fireplace, is ideal for relaxing after a thrilling night. And check out this gourmet kitchen. Stainless steel appliances and a central island make it a chef's dream. Ready to recharge? The master suite is a true retreat. The luxurious bathroom features a soaking tub, dual sinks, and a spa-like tiled shower. And the walk-in closet? Let's just say you'll have plenty of room for your Vegas wardrobe. This rental boasts an incredible game room, complete with a pool table and a bar. And the backyard? It's an outdoor oasis. Picture yourself lounging by the pool and spa, grilling up a feast, and enjoying the Vegas sunshine. Ready to experience Vegas in style and comfort? Book your stay at the South Strip Comfort today. Visit 777rentals.com. And if you loved this tour, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing Vegas properties and travel inspiration. Thanks for watching.